I'm ready.
So I got a project I want to show y'all. Been going hard in the paint on the four-wheeler. Night out here. On her skates, getting her skate thing going. Beautiful day. But anyway, I showed y'all the four-wheeler one time. I don't know if I showed it to y'all or not, but I had to get it fixed, put it in the shop, and now I'll show y'all so far. I'm sanding it down. First I used the 80 gray sandpaper. I see you. Look at this one. 80 gray sandpaper, then I used some 100 gray sandpaper, washed it down with some simple green, and then about to sand it, take it to the homeboy Mo. Let Mo put this green on it for me. Get back at it.
You took the whole thing apart?
Took the whole thing apart. Yes,
wow.
This is what I have been up to, people.
That is so much smaller.
Yep, had to break it down. Sanding down this. They look a lot better than what they did before.
Oh, they were dirty as heck.
Yep.
And I got some new skates.
Let me see the skates. Boom. We out here. Skating, took Night on a ride. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
I wanted to scream though.
Yeah.
I closed my eyes almost the whole way.
Man, I'm telling you, we was out here. So once I get it painted, I'll get it back on. Hopefully next time Naya comes back.
Oh, and if you don't know our YouTube channel name, it's Avery Family.
Avery Family.
So give us a thumbs up.
Boom. Naya said it. You guys heard her. So Avery Family is the name of the channel, people. And we're just going to be doing some family stuff, you know, some daddy-daughter stuff.
There's a spider over here.
Oh, man.
I just touched it.
Look at that spider. Can you guys see that?
Let me see.
I don't know if they can see that. Oh.
Oh, God.
Look how big that is.
That is a big spider. You need to
That
hit
is
it.
huge.
Daddy, why don't you just hit it down?
Oh, my goodness. I don't know.
Oh, with the broom?
With the broom?
Yeah. Can I hold it?
No. We're going to let that spider live.
Why?
She did nothing because that's like Charlotte's Web.
Wait, you named her Charlotte?
I don't know. Maybe that's her name. What's her name? Is that her name? I don't know.
She
Thumbs
got
up.
a name. She ugly.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, well, guys, in the comments down below, if you guys want to name a spider, give her a name. Is it Charlotte?
No, I don't got a name.
Is it Naya?
No!
Anyway.
Everybody took it by like 100,000 people.
You're so silly. Anyway, this is what we got going, ladies and gentlemen. Albert Avery, this is a Suzuki LTZ400 quad. Big boy, oh yes. Just got that fixed the other day. Brand new tires, knobs. Wait till you guys, I'm changing the whole color scheme. It's gonna go from yellow to army green. Army bomber green. Gonna get the shark with the teeth on the side. And we're gonna be out here.
Balling tonight.
Naya, you helping me with this too though today, didn't you?
Yeah.
What were you helping me with?
Wash it.
Washed it.
Scrub it.
Scrubbed it. We use sandpaper.
Yeah.
Or we use a Brillo pad. We use some simple green.
Yeah,
we were out here.
But you like took the dead skin off because I was kidding.
Yeah, we did that.
You never told me you took it all apart. You did it all without me. Oh yeah, one of your wires about to come out.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's supposed to be there.
Wait, it's supposed to be like that?
Yeah, that's for the... Once I put the plastics back on, this is going to sit up like that.
Right now it's like that.
Yeah, right now it's like that.
That.
Yay. But...
You love me. I love you. That's what you
Oh yeah, Naya Daddy. This is the Avery family, but you know, a little crazy stuff.
YouTube video anyway.
Oh yeah, this is gonna go on YouTube.
I'm gonna watch it though.
You're gonna watch it? You're gonna tell all your friends at Noah Webster, Scottsdale, Arizona. Subscribe. Oh,
Hey, Dad.
What? Let's see what you got. Oh yes, this is important. I need this. This can go next to a nice, super cool purple mountain bike with the brand new knob tires. Oh yeah, she's styling too. Look at the family bikes. Look at Krisha's bike. Oh,
My
styling.
mom's.
Your daddy's with the huge tires.
Yeah, this is my mom's is in the middle.
That's a mom bike right there. Oh yeah. But we're gonna get back to this. And so for now, me and I, she's gonna do her skating. I'm gonna do my four-wheeler cleaning. And we will get back to you guys in just a little bit. Let me see you with the helmet.
Okay.
She can almost ride this thing, guys. Believe it or not, she can almost ride this. She almost popped the throttle on us earlier. Boom. So when you guys see us on the street, oh, I gotta replace these two, guys. Dad was trying to be cool and pop a wheelie, and now they're over there. Boom. Flipped it. But anyway, signing out.
I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
You don't like money, I can see it in your eye. You don't like winning, I can see it in your tie. Better be careful with these women when you trickin', sending flies. She count money in her sleep and she don't never spend the night. But she trapping and she had to make it happen for her life. Don't be mad because she having shit, you had it your whole life. We had baggage on our flights, we had badges on our asses. You got passes in your life, you had gadgets on your bike. Got work magic, got work magic, got work magic in my life. And that guala like Ayala, cause that bag just fixed my life. And y'all know good and damn well I don't want no champagne. But can we please get some more champagne? Please no Andre G like Bonche, reach like Ron James, pep talk from Beyonce. Remember my hands had ash like Pompeii. Now they hold cash, won't peak like Dante. I told y'all
I'm living my best life.
I told y'all
I said I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
So people, it's getting dark. I done took all the parts off the quad. Naya met a new friend. And I sandpapered them all down, 180 grid to 100 grid. I'm gonna hit them with the 120 grid tomorrow. And I'm gonna take them up to the car wash to wash them down, get them real clean. They're feeling real smooth, man. I'm feeling like I'm proud right now. The kid did it. Yeah, they feeling real nice, man. That 120 grid is gonna make them feel even better. And I saw it over there. That's gonna be a tomorrow thing. But we putting this shit up tonight, y'all. Oops, excuse me, this stuff up. Where's it, Naya? Naya! I think she's down there with the kids. I tell y'all what, man, I'm tired. Looking crazy, sweaty, dirty. My bike looking crazy. But it's a process. And babe, Krisha, what do? We don't rush the process. We trust the process. That's one thing we pride ourselves on this way on the Avery channel, Avery family channel. Like I said, it's gonna be one of our first vlogs. This is just part of it. This is just me messing around on my bike, but you know, we got Naya outside. But stay tuned in. We got a couple things planned for you guys, you know. Plan on unveiling the bike. Everybody comment in the bottom section if you think what color I'm gonna make it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna look like a B2 bomber. But other than that, I'm about to put this bad boy in the garage and go take a shower and put an eye in the shower because we both smell like dirty sweat and bike grease. So until then, Avery channel, A's up. Once again, don't rush the process, guys. Always trust it. Stay blessed. Love you. Until next time. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.